What's the best investment you can make in 2024 and beyond? Let's ponder on this for a moment. When we talk about investments, your mind might immediately jump to stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. But what if I told you there's an investment that surpasses all of those? An investment that not only enriches you financially, but also personally. Intriguing, isn't it? You see, the concept of investment extends far beyond the realm of finance. It's about planting seeds today, nourishing them, and reaping the rewards tomorrow. It's about growth, development, and setting yourself up for a prosperous future. It's about taking steps today that will echo positively in the years to come. So what's the best investment you can make in 2024 and beyond? Let's embark on this journey of discovery and learn about an investment that promises a rich life, both financially and personally. It's time to dive deeper into what this best investment is. Investing is more than just money. It involves psychology. This statement might seem a bit outlandish at first. After all, when we think about investing, our minds naturally gravitate towards numbers, stocks, bonds, and real estate. But in reality, the psychology behind investing plays an enormous role in how we handle our finances. Investing is not just a game of numbers, but a game of emotions. Fear, greed, hope, and regret are all players on this field. For instance, the fear of losing money can paralyze us and prevent us from taking calculated risks. On the other hand, greed can push us to make hasty, ill-informed decisions, leading to financial losses. Consider this real-life example. Suppose a person invested in a company, and the stock price dropped significantly. Fear might compel this investor to sell their shares to avoid further losses, even though holding on to them could potentially lead to future gains when the stock rebounds. This is where the psychology of investing comes into play. Then there's the concept of herd mentality. It's human nature to follow the crowd, and the world of investing is no exception. When everyone is buying into a hot new trend, it's tempting to jump on the bandwagon. But this can often lead to overvaluation and eventually a market crash. And let's not forget about regret. That nagging feeling of what if can be a powerful motivator, but it can also lead to unwise decisions. For instance, if you missed out on a lucrative investment opportunity and then see others reaping the benefits, you might be tempted to make hasty decisions in the future, trying to make up for lost opportunities. Learning to navigate these emotional currents is key to successful investing. It involves understanding our own emotions and biases, and making conscious decisions rather than being driven by fear or greed. This emotional intelligence, combined with a solid understanding of investment principles, can lead to better financial decisions. But what if I tell you that the best kind of investment is not financial at all? Why do we need to invest in life, and how does it lead to success and financial freedom? Let's dive into this. Imagine life as a business venture, where you're both the CEO and the product. Like any thriving enterprise, constant improvement is a necessity. This is where the concept of investing in oneself comes into play. It's about nurturing your skills, expanding your knowledge, and refining your character. Consider the story of the renowned billionaire Warren Buffett. His success didn't happen overnight. He invested in himself, devouring books and learning about the stock market from a young age. As a result, he built a fortune and achieved financial freedom. Or think about Oprah Winfrey, who rose from a life of hardship to become a media mogul. She invested in herself, honing her skills in communication and leadership, which paved the way to her success. In essence, investing in oneself is the cornerstone of a prosperous life. The key to a successful investment lies within you. So, what is this best investment for 2024 and beyond? Let's delve into it. The answer quite simply is you. That's right, the best investment you can make is in yourself. In an ever-changing world, the one constant you can control is your own personal growth and development. It's about mastering new skills, expanding your knowledge, and nurturing your creativity. Consider the world's most successful people. They didn't reach their pinnacle by sitting still. They invested time and effort into honing their skills, into becoming the best at what they do. They invested in themselves. Take for instance Elon Musk. He didn't become a tech mogul overnight. He poured countless hours into learning about different fields, from coding to aerospace engineering. He invested in himself, and as a result, he's been able to lead several successful companies. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, who came from humble beginnings. She didn't simply accept her circumstances, she worked tirelessly, investing in her communication and leadership skills. Today, she's one of the most influential women in the world. What these examples illustrate is that investing in yourself isn't just about monetary gain. Sure, Mastering new skills can open doors to better job opportunities and higher income. But it's also about personal fulfillment. It's about becoming a better version of yourself, about reaching your potential. It's about gaining the confidence and resilience to navigate life's challenges. So how do you invest in yourself? Well, it could be as simple as reading a book or taking an online course. It could be practicing a new hobby or learning a new language. The key is to continuously seek growth, to never stop learning. As we move into 2024 and beyond, remember this: the world may be unpredictable, but your growth is in your hands. So keep investing in yourself, keep pushing your boundaries, keep striving for greatness. And remember, the return on investment is guaranteed. Because when you invest in yourself, you're not just enhancing your skills or knowledge, you're shaping your future, your destiny. You're setting yourself up for success, both personally and professionally. Invest in yourself and you invest in your future. How can self-development improve your life financially and socially? Unleashing the power of self-development can transform your life in ways you might have never imagined. It's like sowing a seed that grows into a tree, bearing fruits of success. When you invest time and effort in developing yourself, you're equipping yourself with tools that lead to financial growth. You become more competitive in your field, opening doors to better job opportunities, promotions, and even the chance to start your own successful business. Simultaneously, self-development enhances your social life. As you grow personally, you become more confident, resilient, and empathetic. You learn to communicate more effectively and understand the perspectives of others. This leads to stronger relationships and a more fulfilling social life. Consider the story of a small-town boy who taught himself coding. His self-development journey led him to create a successful tech startup, impacting not only his financial status but his social connections too. Invest in your development and you invest in your success. Now that you know the best investment for 2024 and beyond, what's next? We've taken a deep dive into the world of investing, the psychology behind it, and why it is essential for a prosperous life. We've unraveled the truth that the best investment for the coming years is not a stock, a bond, or a piece of real estate. It's you. It's the skills you learn, the knowledge you amass, and the person you become. So, what's your next step? Start today. Invest in that online course you've been eyeing, pick up that book you've been meaning to read, or delve into that new skill you've been eager to learn. Remember, every step you take towards self-improvement is a step towards a richer, more fulfilled life. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive similar videos like this. Remember, invest in yourself and you invest in your future.